Well, ThoughtWorks Live is really about continuous delivery and continuous design, and this idea that there is kind of continuous change in the world, both in business and in technology.
Today my role was really to kind of set up and kind of ease us into why do we do all of this continuous delivery stuff. So a major focus today is to get fast at software delivery, to continuously deliver value. And then of course how continuous delivery sort of underpins an organization's ability to respond to change from a software perspective.
We want to embrace change. People change their minds. Our businesses change directions.
Continuous delivery is the process of not only developing software and getting rapid feedback during the development cycle, but it is also about taking that software into production at frequent intervals.
So the goal is, we want the easy button. We actually do want, ideally, that button. It has a USB connector. And what I want is...
We did a presentation on Springer's experience building a new platform using ThoughtWorks assistance, and we developed it from scratch using an Agile development process which we had no experience with at all.
What we did is a major part of anybody doing software development, so it's really a need and really a must-have from my perspective to be a successful software developer nowadays.
I really enjoyed today. It was very interesting to see different client experiences and get to meet other people and share their experiences of working with Agile.
I'm Mike Bracken. I am the Executive Director of Digital for the Cabinet Office.
So there's a phrase in sort of popular culture called jumping the shark, which is sort of at the point where you sort of become a bit ridiculous really, you've done too much. Until I used this page, I didn't realise if you left a small child unattended at the top of the stairs, you could have an accident.
I think when you see a large organisation, there are none larger in this country than the government, I think anyone in a large organisation who maybe feels frustrated and understands that technology and digital services can be a real liberating force.
I'm about to set up my own company. I'm very interested in Agile methodologies, and in particular I was very fascinated by how you could continuously deliver software and systems.
Today was brilliant for a multitude of reasons, the majority of them being that it's nice to see that other companies and agencies are struggling with the same things that we are.
Continuous delivery encompasses really a lot of different things, from cultural change, organizational change, technical change, and you know it's a big challenge for a lot of organizations, but also holds huge potential rewards. So the ThoughtWorks Live and the Continuous Delivery Conference is really just a place for us to kind of get together and share ideas and experiences and best practices around how we accelerate the time from idea into the hands of a user with our product propositions and our business propositions.
So when it comes to ThoughtWorks in the context of continuous delivery, I think we can literally say we wrote the book. And it really seems to have kind of crystallized the thinking in the industry, which is not to say that ideas around continuous delivery and DevOps weren't in the market already. That people were talking about this, it's a ground up, kind of roots movement, but I think Jez and Dave were very effective at kind of capturing and codifying the thinking and expressing it in a way that was very consumable. And we've kind of seen that take off as a result.